Hello, this is our mini vlog for our channel Vault of Civilization. We are here for our new video. I'm going to show you my channel. Okay, and this is our new topic inside the US largest gold refinery from raw ore to gained gold bars. So we are here to create almost 18 minutes video, and this is our idea and these are our complete 110 scenes. Okay, after this we create our video through video. As you can see here, our prompts are going to be ready after creation. You can see here our scenes are ready here, total 110 scenes. After creation of these scenes, we go to CapCut. Now this is our editing. As you can see, gold veins shine through the hardened rock, because we are creating right now gold creation, right? How gold is manufacturing in the factory. This could be one of the largest gold reserves. So this is our mini vlog today. So stay tuned with us. Inshallah, we will update our new video as soon as possible. Inshallah, by weekly, inshallah, 1 to 2 or 3 videos, inshallah, I upload. This is behind the scenes. I will tell you how we edit and how we create our video. Okay, so this is an information for everyone. Thank you for watching. See you till next video, inshallah.